Welcome to Famity. Today we will talk about our live Instagram followers count tool. Since its release, the importance of Instagram has increased vastly over time. It started as an online platform where users could upload their photos or other images, so their friends could see them. As of 2021, the platform became drastically huge, that people started to earn digital marketing revenues by sharing ad content. With Famity Follower Count tool, users can see and check their followers easily and quickly. We don't need any other information besides your Instagram username. Our system doesn't need your password to function correctly, and it works accordingly to our privacy policy. So you can be sure that we keep it 100% safe and secure, and your Instagram username won't be saved or shared with anyone at all. It is vital to keep in mind that a lot of other websites or apps that claim to offer the same service are scams, and they can steal your essential and sensitive information. When you install a third-party app, some security issues can arise, but using the Famity website is proven to be 100% safe and secure. The free online follower count tool is practical and straightforward to use. Follow the instructions to see how many followers do you or your friends have on Instagram successfully. Enter the username that you wish to see the follower amount into the dedicated box. Click on the check button. You will see how many followers and posts does the user has. Enjoy. We hope you like it and find it useful to use this free service. Our WhatsApp customer care service is 24/7 live and ready to help you out with any questions or issues. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.